In a jungle school not far away, the animals gather to learn and play. With backpacks big and lunchboxes full, it's time for fun at the animal school. Gina the giraffe said, "Oh no, my neck's too long, I can't fit below." She ducked and squeezed through the classroom door, then knocked down pictures, lights, and more. Mr. Owl took the roll call list, but kept dozing off, he needed a twist. Paco the parrot squawked, Leo the crying. The class burst out laughing, even the lion.
Mimi the monkey bounced on her seat, handed out bananas for everyone to eat. She tossed one high, it landed with grace right on Leo's royal lion face.
"What's 2 plus 2? asked sleepy old owl. "Fish," said Paco on a giggly growl. "Banana pie," Mimi yelled with glee. 42, said Giraffe proudly. Lunchtime came with a thunderous boom, as Ellie the elephant cleared the room. She sneezed so hard, juice hit the wall. "Sorry," she said, "it's trunk tickle, that's all." Time to nap, but no one slept, except Owl, who finally crept into his nest and started to snore, while Monkey danced on the classroom floor. The jungle bell rang, school was done. What a wild day, full of learning and fun. They roared and chirped and said, "Yahoo!" Tomorrow they'd come to learn something new.